get cheap headless. You know why I'm wearing this ponytail? It's because it includes with this. You can work with any different type of ponytail, but it needs to be straight. And if you put another wavy ponytail or a curly wavy ponytail, then it's from premium. But you guys know it's alright because this hair is not from premium. And also, when you see through, you need to use the City Life's woman's head. So I will show you guys the examples. So if you're on Roblox right now, type in aesthetic blonde ponytail. And once you typed it in, doesn't matter if you spell it wrong. Once you typed it in, then you will see it. But first, go to City Life Woman, click category, and then click characters, and then have you guys clicked it yet? Great. Okay, now you need to buy the head or the full package, whatever. Just buy the head. Now get this hairstyle. No, actually go to build and make it R6, and then go find aesthetic blonde ponytail, and then if you want to buy it or try it, it's okay. You can try it. So I hope you enjoy.